Hello and welcome. Let's discuss this question that came in the year 2021 and is related to the topic of structure and physiography of Indian geography. The question is, with reference to India, Didwana, Kuchman, Sargol and Khatu are the names of glaciers, mangrove areas, Ramsar sites or saline lakes. Basically, saline lakes are playas, are also known as playas. These are small lakes with flat surfaces where water is collected through rain and it gets evaporated quickly. These are flat floors. And these are basically undrained basins. Basically, no river drains this region. So these are, if this is a playa, no river is draining this. So this is surrounded by land itself. Water is collected through rains and because of extreme heating, it gets evaporated quickly. So all these which we mentioned, Didwana, Kuchman, Sargol and Khatu are situated in Rajasthan. Didwana and Kuchman in Nagaur district, Rajasthan Nagaur district. And basically these are saline lakes or playas. We have also seen lakes, salt lakes like Sambar, which is famous for salt production as well. Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. Now, as far as salt is concerned, let's see the salt production in India. India is placed third among the world as far as salt production is concerned. So after USA and China, India produces maximum amount of salt. Also, 70% of the salt is produced from seawater in India and rest from these kind of saline lakes in the interior. And almost all the coastal states produces salt. And Gujarat is placed highest as far as salt production is concerned, as it produces 80% of the salt of India. 80% of the salt. So Gujarat not only produces salt from the coastal areas but also from salt pans. Salt pans are basically flat region in the desert area where water gets evaporated quickly because of extreme heat, and the most famous is Run of Kutch. So this is the fact regarding salt production. Also, there is a demand of bringing salt under minimum support price criteria, MSP. Salt is under central list of Schedule 7 of the Indian Constitution. So it is a central list subject. So these are the basic facts regarding salt production, saline lakes, salt pans and Didwana, Kuchman, Sargol and Khatu. So if we see the question again, our answer will be D, saline lakes. Now similar nature question related to location came in the year 2019 as well, which was related to structure and physiography of India. What is common to the places known as Aliar, Isapur and Kangsabati? Options are A. Recently discovered uranium deposits, B. Tropical rainforest, C. Underground cave systems, or D. Water reservoirs. So basically there was a news in Down to Earth in 2018, Down to Earth magazine. They published this news where a report by CWC, Central Water Commission, suggested that in India, 91 reservoirs from both North and South India, 91 reservoirs are operating in less than 39% of live capacity. And southern states were the worst affected states. Southern states were the worst affected states as far as the reservoir capacity is concerned. Now, reservoir capacity depends on 2-3 factors like rainfall. The water in the reservoir is saved from rainfall, or the purpose for which it is built, whether it is judicially used or not. For example, if they are built for irrigation purposes, then whether more water is released for irrigation or less water is released for irrigation, whether there is overuse or underuse. So this determines the reservoir capacity. The reservoir capacity. So Central Water Commission suggested that reservoir capacity is also less because of the low monsoon and because of the unjudicious use of these reservoirs. So if we see one by one, Alier Dam is in Alier River of Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. Isapur Dam is in Penganga River in Hingoli, Maharashtra. And Kangsabati Dam is in Kangsabati River, Hooghly in West Bengal. So all these were mentioned in the report of Central Water Commission, and hence these were in news, and so the question was asked, and the answer for this is water reservoir. Now, as far as recently discovered uranium deposit is concerned, so the recent news is of Riyasi district of Kashmir, which is not related to uranium but lithium deposit. Riyasi district is for lithium deposit. Riyasi district of Kashmir was in news for lithium deposit, hence lithium become important. Thank you.